Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. First, my little disclaimer is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested in Riot Blockchain, Marathon Patent Group, Bit Digital, Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, Hut8, Galaxy Digital, DTSRF, which is Ether Capital, KR1, or Kryptonite1, my new investment from today, and DMG Blockchain with the ticker DMGI. Okay, let's jump right into it. The market cap from today, we can see the 3 US stocks, the Nasdaq traded stocks here, they're all above $1 billion US. So we have like 3 $1 billion companies in our portfolio now, with Riot in the lead, then Bit Digital very close, maybe they're surpassing it right now, I don't know. And there's Marathon also above 1 billion. They have a good day right now. Argo Blockchain had a big rise in market cap and price in the last few days, so they're not the last one. They surpassed Bitfarms, very big, and they're now very close to Hut8 with 300 million USD, and then we have Hive Blockchain with 700 million US. So here's my portfolio right now. You can see Argo Blockchain is still the biggest position, and I sold some stocks today because I was at 50% in my portfolio, and I'm always telling you I want to be diversified. It's not that I don't like Argo anymore, it's a great company, but I want to diversify a little bit more to reduce risks and all these things. And yeah, that's why I sold a little bit of Argo Blockchain today. I moved a little bit into DMG Blockchain. I will talk about later why. Kryptonite1, also a very nice company, I will show you later. I increased my position in Hive. I told you yesterday that I'm thinking about doing this because yeah, it looks not so bad right now. And I increased my Hut8 position and my Riot Blockchain position, but very small. So I'm up 46% this week within 2 days. So it looks like it could be a very nice week for my portfolio and hopefully for your portfolio. We will see. But crypto is very volatile, so you never know what happens. But I will show you some key figures from today, the OPEX one. So this is the gross mining margin of the miners from today. And yeah, what's this? This one here, this spike here, this is from Hive Blockchain from yesterday, and this is above 400,000 US. And I could tell you why this happened. Here we can see the Ethereum mining profitability here. We can see in September here the DeFi bubble. We had crazy Ethereum mining profitability because these DeFi projects, they use a lot of space on the Ethereum blockchain, so you need a lot of gas to make transactions, and that's why the blockchain was full, and so you need a lot of gas to get your transaction through, because the market decides which one transaction is passed through, and that's the transaction which pays more fees. So we had like 10-15 US a day here, and yeah, yesterday it was also very high mining profitability. The fees were very high, but also Ethereum had a big rise in price. So we had an all-time high in mining profitability, or not an all-time high, but the yearly high in mining profitability. And yeah, it drops today again like to 8 or 7 cents per mega hash, but it's still very high. And I didn't expect this one. I thought the mining profitability will go up, but this spikes here. I don't know why. Maybe because of DeFi. I don't know. But it is how it is, and that's why Hive in my OPEX one, they made like 400,000 US in profits yesterday in the gross mining margin. I have to say that I don't know what's the hash rate right now for Hive Blockchain, because they have this decrease in hash rate because of this 4 GB, 8 GB change there in their cards. So maybe it's lower, it should be a little bit lower, but this is with the full hash rate here. Maybe it's 300 or 350, but it was a very good day for Hive, and they're now making a lot of money. And this is one of the reasons why I'm moving back to Hive. So you can see in this space, things change very fast. A few days ago, I was not bullish on Hive because the strategy, they had so small Bitcoin mining, all these issues with the Ethereum graphic cards here with the 12 million they had to spend to maintain their hash rate, not to increase, to maintain their hash rate. But now a lot of things change. For example, Hive, the stock price of Hive dropped, but the price of Ethereum has risen like 40% in the last few days. The mining profitability is going crazy because of the big fees right now. And they made a purchase of Bitcoin mining hardware. And they possibly buy this GPU-1 facility. So the things are changing very fast. And that's why I'm starting to increase my Hive position right now. Okay, guys, let's move on. I have a lot of interesting data for you. First of all, Argo Blockchain released their operational update for December 2020. So they had a nice mining revenue from 1.6 pound sterling million. Yeah, I think it's above 2 million USD. I don't know exactly. It's 60% in gross mining margin, which is very good. They mined 2,465 bitcoins the year. Their hodlers are 209 bitcoins. At the end of the year, in my tool, in my BMX model, I had 212 or something like this. So this works very well, my tool. And here they have 645 petahash and 280 megasouls AKI hash for Zcash mining. Then they mined 96 bitcoins. In my forecast, they should have mined more than 100 bitcoins. I don't know why it's decreasing. I think it's because of Zcash. The mining profitability is going down right now. And maybe the T17 miners are doing not so good. They told us a few weeks or months ago that they have some issues. So that's very important that they get this new mining equipment in February. Hopefully they will add some more equipment. But we will see. In my opinion, it could have been more bitcoins, but yeah, it is how it is. But Argo is doing a very good job operational. We can see it here. So no problem here, I guess. Let's jump to the prices first here. We have the Bitcoin price here, which is close to 34,000 right now. So we are rising again. That looks very nice. Ethereum, crazy in the last few days. And yeah, it's above $1,000. We can see here Hive Blockchain. I'll zoom a little bit in. Hive Blockchain with 6.8% gains today. Hut 8, 4%. They're very slow right now. Bitfarms 0. Argo Blockchain in London Stock Exchange 19%, and RPKF in the US like 27%. So very nice. Also Riot is catching fire again with 11.5%. Marathon, very good day, was 24%. So I am happy that I moved yesterday, which I told you on Sunday that I will move a little bit into Mara, and I did it yesterday in the evening, very late after the video, because the price was so low. And yeah, then we have Bit Digital. They were like 15% in red today, and I thought, oh, maybe you have should sold a little bit, but yeah, they're now back at 0, so this is very nice. Then we have Galaxy Digital with 9%. We have DMG Blockchain with 48%, so that looks very nice here. My new investment from today. I bought cheaper here. Then we have DTSRF, which is Ether Capital. They are also 18% in green. And then we have my new investment here, the K4H here, the ticker, but you have to be careful to find it. There are some different companies. It's KR1. They're minus 6%, so I invested a little bit of my portfolio, like 1% into it. So these are the investments. They are all in green. This one is in red, but I think I paid exactly this number here. I don't know. This changes not the whole day. I think it's gonna be very difficult for the US and Canadian guys here in the audience to buy this stock, the KR1. I've only one exchange in Germany, the Börse Stuttgart, where I was able to buy it. I don't know. Gonna be a little bit difficult. if you want to buy it. But yeah, first make your research here. So prices look very good. Yeah, I told you that I will increase my Hive position, so it's a nice consolidation phase here. Yeah, Ethereum was at this point here when Hive peaked, and on December 16th, ETH was at $600, and now Ethereum is close to $1,100, but the stock price here is lower, and we have the mining profitability rising, and we have new equipment ordered. So for me, it looks like a maybe a good entry point to increase a little bit my Hive position here. Okay, let's go on. Why did I invest in DMG Blockchain? First of all, I told you a few days or yesterday that I'm thinking I will buy a little bit of DMG Blockchain. The balance sheet is not great right now, I know this, but they have some assets, they have a nice facility, they're making not a lot of money. But I told you that I expect something like a partnership or a takeover or so. And here it is, Marathon Patent Group and DMG Blockchain Solutions to form the digital currency miners of North America, DCMNA, and launch North America's first cooperative mining pool. So this is non-profit, they say, but for me it's big that Marathon Patent Group, which is going to be one of the giants, works together with DMG Blockchain. So DMG looks like they're very interested they're very flexible and they have a lot of ideas, and yeah, they're working now with one of the giants together, and they're making this mining pool with the Blockseer company they have. So yeah, I want to have a little exposure to DMG, so that's why I moved 1% into them. At DMG Blockchain we have also the news here, Marathon Patent Group and DMG Blockchain, they partner here. So it's gonna be a very interesting year, I guess. So let's go to the next investment, the KR1. Someone on Twitter told me 2 weeks ago, I forgot the name, Extra Ball was the name of this guy on Twitter. Thank you very much, but I forget about this investment because I got a lot of information, but I had a list and I checked them. And yeah, the investments look very impressive. They started with in 2017, invested in these Ethereum, Argo, Golem. So these are all ICOs here, Argo and Golem, as I'm aware of. And they were celebrated big here in 2017, but then they dropped big. But who cares? Yeah, then there are a lot of projects here they're investing, like Polkadot, which is very good known here, well known. Oh, what's this again? Okay, so then, and that was in 2017. I have heard the first time in 2020 from Polkadot, so they're very early in all the investments. So they have a lot of investment, and it seems like, yeah, they want to invest in all these Web 3.0 companies, and they want to make staking gains. And they're making a lot of investments. And yeah, then I always check the numbers. So the homepage is Kryptonite1.co, and yeah, then I check the numbers here. There's only from 2019, the financial statement from 2019, but they had an income of £2 million here, 2.1 million pound, with costs of 700,000. So they had a profit of 1.3 million pounds in 2019, and that was still the bear market. So I think these numbers are very impressive. Okay, in 2019 they had a big loss, but yeah, all these ICOs, they dropped big. So that's yeah, this was expected here. But yeah, in 2019 the 1.3 million in profit is very nice. The company right now has a market cap of like 50 million USD or so. They have 130 million shares, and the price is like 40 or 50 cents right now. So maybe it's 60 million the market cap. And yes, they have very nice investments. And yeah, then I found no news about their investments, because when you're on the website, there is no news here. But if you click here to visit KR1's announcement and so on, you get here, and then you can see they have a lot of announcements. In December, for example, every day they did an investment in Lido, an investment in Swarm, an investment in Hydra DX, investment in Tidal Finance. So I don't know a lot of these projects, but here I can see update on revenue from Polkadot staking yields. So they are staking Polkadot, and they're staking big. So you can see here KR1 has generated a further 141,000 DOT since the last staking update announcement in August 2020, all of which has been sold at an average price of 5.6 USD per token, realizing 800,000 US dollars. So they're staking big and they're making a lot of money. The KR1's total holding of Polkadot tokens is 3.5 million DOT after realization of all staking yields. So I think it's the price of DOT is right now like 8 USD or so. So it should be 30 million or so. So this is very good because I want to increase my diversify my portfolio a little bit more. I really like the miners, but I think in the future staking is becoming also very important on Ethereum, and I want to have more Ethereum on in my portfolio, more Ethereum exposure and into these projects. And it seems like this is a very good company in this game here. So I think it's difficult to invest. I hope you're able to invest into them. Yeah, we will see. Tell me in the comment section, please. And what do you think about this company? But to me, they look very interesting. So some other news here and some other big guy. This is Northern Data. They're from Germany and they're building huge facilities around the world. In Scandinavia, they have some big facilities and they're building a 1 or 2 gigawatt facility in Texas. So that's going to be the biggest in the world, I think. So with 1,000 megawatts. And they are a hoster like Core Scientific, for example. And yeah, this is very interesting here, these news. So Northern Data says existing Bitcoin mining customer expands contract volume by more than 200 megawatt. So they have an existing Bitcoin mining customer. You don't know who it is. We don't know it. But they expand their contract by more than 200 megawatt. So this is not only Marathon and Hut 8 and all these guys. They're big private companies and maybe some play tools from the billionaires here, and they have their own mining equipment and they're mining for themselves, and they go to Northern Data or Core Scientific or so, or maybe it's in institution like Fidelity or so, we don't know, and they go to these guys and they say, okay, I want 200 megawatt and I want these bitcoins, please operate them for me and I get the bitcoins. So yeah, this is also an interesting company. The market cap is right now at 1 billion or so, 1 billion euros, I guess. They want to have, I think, income of 100 million this year. But it's a hoster, it's not a self-miner, so I'm not invested into them right now because the big money will make others, who get the bitcoins, they will make the big money. But I think 200 megawatt is very big, so we can see big moves right now. Okay, so let's move on. Here we can see again these crazy Ethereum mining profitability. What else do we have in data? So prices are moving again to the upside. Hash rate is still high for Bitcoin, but they will not go lower here. It's 153 exahash right now. In Ethereum, it's above 300 terahash. Mining profitability for Bitcoin is 23.6 cents per day per terahash. So we're still above my model, way above my model right now, which was at 20 cents or so. So this is very good for us, for our stocks. And the mining profitability for Ethereum is still very high with 8.6 cents per day per mega hash. So yeah, it looks very good, I guess, for our stocks, for our portfolio. And yeah, as I told you, right now I have more than 1,000 subscribers, so thank you very much again. And yeah, I was telling you that I will make this website and this membership, and I will provide some value for you, but it will take some time to build this website. And I'm now able to monetize my YouTube channel to make advertisements and all this stuff, but I don't want to do it. It's only $2 a video or so, which I can make there, and it's annoying for you, so I don't think it's the right way. And some people in the comment section, they told me, yeah, start a Patreon, and yeah, I think I will do this because today I started my Patreon account here, which is patreon.com/BLONITY. I think it's €1 a month or so. It's very cheap. You can pay more if you like, but I think €1 is the minimum. So for the US guys, 1.22 USD, it should be like this. And for the Canadians, like 1.5 Canadian dollars or 1.6 Canadian dollars. So it's very cheap. Right now, there's no content. I think I will start tomorrow to put in some content. I will do these YouTube videos. I will continue with this. I will do the BMXI every Sunday, or this news and this daily videos. I will continue this, but I think I will do for Patreon. I will do like a daily video. I will start with this. A daily video about the BMXI and my trades, what I do. I will show you my portfolio and what are my next moves and all these things. And I think I will do a special video for my Patreons here to get a lot more into detail, not about the news, that's for YouTube, but into the data, what I see, what chances do I see, what moves do I make right now. And I will start with this, and I will do academy videos a lot, but I will put them also on YouTube. But for the daily updates on my trades and on my moves, I think this is gonna be on Patreon. So I think it's very cheap. It's not expensive. We will try, because I want to test a little bit, because I want to I want to do it full time, but I need cash flow for this, and I want to test a little bit how many people will subscribe here, how many cash flow can I generate here. Is it enough to start my business here, to go full time in this crypto analysis, to provide you more value every day? And it's a little bit of an experiment. So I'm very excited. I started today, so I have no content right now. I have a lot of work to do. I think I will try to upload a video tomorrow. So it would be nice when you subscribe here for €1. If you want, you can pay more, but I recommend you to keep your money in the stocks, and you can pay me at the end of the year when you're gonna be rich or so. I think that's better for you. Okay, so I think that's it. Oh, it's again 20 minutes. Sorry for that. These videos are going longer and longer, but it is how it is. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.